Okay, wicking basket. Nice and easy and fast. Basket, spill-proof guard for microwave ovens. Party cups. Some PVC pipe, 16 inches. Cut at an angle. Cut the cup. Put it in. Stick it in the pipe. And then stick it in the bucket. And that fits in perfect. Now you just fill it up with dirt. You're done. Nice and easy. These microwave covers, they only cost $1.25, I think it is, yeah. $1.25. And the cups, all those cups are only like $1.25 or something. $4 for the bucket. It's like $7 altogether. I just used my soldering iron to poke a couple of holes in this thing. That worked very good. Make sure the handle's on the right side, so you can pick the bucket up. Okay. Now you just fill it up. Good. The hole in the bucket. So it's gonna so it comes out. Good.